In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in AOL Mail. If your inbox feels crowded, creating folders is a quick way to keep things organized. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type AOL Mail and press Enter. You'll see search results for AOL's official mail page. Click the first result that clearly points to AOL Mail. Before you continue, glance at the address bar to confirm you're on the official AOL.com domain. In the upper right corner of the page, look for the Login or Join button and click it. Sign into your account as you normally do. Once you're in your inbox, focus on the left side of the screen. This is the navigation panel with system folders like Inbox and Sent, and a section labeled Folders. If you don't see the left panel, it might be collapsed. Hover near the edge or look for a small arrow to expand it. On smaller screens, you may need to widen the window or click a More option to reveal additional items. Within that left panel, find the Folders category. To create a new folder, click the plus icon right next to Folders. In some versions of AOL Mail, instead of a plus sign, you'll see a new folder link near the bottom of the left column. Click that if it's what you see. Both options open a small text field that's ready for you to name your folder. Type the name you want for your new folder. Choose something clear and specific, like Bills, Travel, or Project Archive. Short, descriptive names are easier to scan, and if you manage multiple projects, adding a date or keyword can help you identify the right folder quickly. It's best to avoid special characters that might not be supported. When you're happy with the name, press Enter on your keyboard or click the Save icon if it appears. That confirms the folder and adds it to your list under Folders. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a moment to update or scroll the left panel. It may appear alphabetically or at the bottom depending on your layout. If you changed your mind about the name, you can usually rename it by right-clicking the folder or using the small menu next to it. That's it. You've created a new folder in AOL Mail. From here, you can keep your inbox tidy by sending messages into that folder as they arrive, or by organizing existing emails. Keeping your folder names consistent and your list manageable will make it easier to find what you need later. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more organized AOL Mail.